Look, that looks so freaking good and realistic already, y'all. Like that literally looks like scalp. Y'all, first of all, the wig is like low-key busting out the box. Like, why does the box look like it's open? Like, this box is so big. This box is literally so just big and pretty, and the texture of it, I just love details like this. Like, the texture feels like, I don't know how to describe it, but like the box has a certain texture. Kind of what it looks like is what it feels like. And yeah, so clearly today we are working with Alipearl hair, and we have a unit in this box. So let's unbox it and see what's in here, because I literally do not remember. Like, half these reviews I be doing, y'all, I do not be remembering what the wig is looking like. I do not be remembering what the wig inside is, so it's a surprise for both of us. So let's see. Okay, so I see right here HD lace, undetectable lace, skin like, transparent lace, cap size is large, and it's 24 inches, and it feels really heavy right now. So I don't remember what this is. We finna figure out, y'all. So like I said, 24 inches, large cap, HD lace, skin like melt. Love that. And let's look inside the box, because this definitely says Alipearl, right? But inside this box, and I just opened this, y'all. This band says West Kiss, and then this says Alipearl. So I mean, maybe they're the same brand, I don't know. But this is like a melting band, a West Kiss melting band. Child, I don't know. Maybe these companies be run by the same people. And okay, this is a cute little mirror, a little travel mirror. Put it into your purse, gym bag. Okay, super cute. Love that. Like, that's so cute. Okay, and we got a edge brush and comb, some lashes, super cute lashes, like those are bomb, and some HD wig caps, and also the Alipearl bag. So this is a package from Alipearl, but I don't know why there's a West Kiss melting band in here. Assuming they're maybe run by the same person, or basically like the same company, just different names, but just keep that in mind. So let's see what the unit is looking like now, y'all. And this looks like either a straight unit or like a body wave or something. Don't remember. But this is a 13x4, and this does appear to be some HD lace. Ooh. And the bleaching and plucking on here is really, 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 really good. And I'm really excited about that, because that's less work for me to do. I don't have to bleach anything or pluck anything, because look. That looks so freaking good and realistic already, y'all. Like that literally looks like scalp. They did an amazing job on that. A lot of times when these companies be like pre-bleaching the units and pre-plucking, they don't pluck it enough and they don't bleach it enough, and the knots in the front are still black. But this right here, that looks really, really good. So good job, Alipearl West Kiss. And let's see, this is a 24-inch wig, and I do believe that this is body wave now that I'm looking at it. And thank God this already comes curled, y'all. This is gonna be the quickest install of my life. Like, it's gonna be so bomb. So yeah, the hair is super, super full, y'all. Like I said in the beginning, the wig does feel very heavy. It feels very like dense and heavy. So I don't think this is gonna be a thin wig by any means, and I'm pretty sure y'all can see that on camera. It looks pretty full. The luster on it is beautiful. The color, I love the color. I love dark hair. Again, on this amazing plucking and bleaching. The whole thing around is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and it just looks really, really good. Like, minimal effort install. This is what the lace looks like. This is a 13x4. Oh, wait a minute. Is this a 13x6? Y'all, I think this is a 13x6. Like, look how deep. Oh yeah, this right here, this is one of them ones. Okay, I'm gonna install this, y'all, so be right back. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned for the install. All right, so before I put this on my head, I am gonna put some makeup on this lace. So BRB. Y'all, I don't know what be happening First of all, I had to take out that little lace that be in the back of the wig. I don't know what that's for, but I don't know what be happening when I put these wigs back in the boxes versus when I take them out, because look at the curls. The curls is just gone, y'all. Like, I tried to curl them together to make them look like real cute, but compared to how they look in the beginning, and I'm insert a clip right here, versus how they look now when I took it back out the box. And this was not like the same day that I had put it back in the box and took it out, but like them curls, I literally messed them up, y'all. So just be mindful of that. And when y'all package y'all wigs back up, lay them down in like a fashionably manner, or just hang them up on a mannequin head or something like a wig stand, because you will mess up them curls and then you have to recurl the whole head. So yeah, just be mindful of that. So right here, I'm just cutting off the extra lace on the sides and making sure that it fits comfortably around my ear and comfortably on my head. And I'm hitting my little dancey dance like I always do. I just be like, I don't know, every time I finish a step, I just have to dance, like a little dance break. That looks so good and natural. And that's how much I end up cutting off. Quite a bit of lace, actually. But, you know, I'm always glad when there's extra lace instead of not enough. All right, so I'm going to take some alcohol and a cotton ball and clean my hairline, y'all. And I'm about to spray some Eben Wonder Lace Bond on my hairline and lay down this lace. And I think I need to start back doing my, like, the actual wig caps, like laying down the actual wig cap, like the ball cap way, because my hairline is actually pretty low. Like, my hairline is all the way down here. Like, my edges go all the way down here, and then here's my eyebrow. Like, I feel like there's not a lot of space right there for me to, like, be trying to put glue and stuff like that. So really, I need to start doing my ball caps again, so that, you know, like, I'm not, I don't know, like, my hairline is just really low. So if the hairlines on these wigs like don't match my hairline, sometimes it's a little tricky. So I think I'm just gonna start doing the ball cap method more. But yeah, so taking this spray right here and spraying this all over my hairline, and then I'm gonna put my band on and let this melt. Yeah, I'm saying that because I really don't like for my hairline to be like touching my eyebrows, or like my edges to be too close to my eyebrows or touching my eyebrows, because then I feel like it starts to look like a wig, which, I mean, like, that's kind of not the point. Like, we don't want it to look like a wig. We want it to look like, you know, realistic and pretty, not like wiggy. So yeah, I don't know, like, if y'all have any suggestions in the comments, let me know. But I am going to do some research and watch some videos on people with like low hairlines and how they install their wigs, because I do not like my edges being all the way down here, almost touching my eyebrows. I actually hate that. All right, y'all, so I'm just spraying some more of this spray right here onto my hairline, and then putting on this melting band that says West Kids, which I'm still like question mark about that. Then a little dance break. I don't even realize I'd be doing that like after every time. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with the melting band and the company. Sure, it's just a little mistake, but that is a bit confusing. So I'm taking my wax stick that I got from Shein and my hot comb, and I'm going in sections like I do with every wig, and getting this super duper flat and laid and sleek and fried and dyed and laid to the side, like, period. Yeah, I just really been trying to get into my shows, and I was watching Sex and the City, and that's like the theme song for it. So like, I was like, hold on, you know, I had to hit my little groove. But same thing right here. Wax stick, hot comb section, wax stick, hot comb section. This part is very repetitive, but very essential to making your install look natural. So don't skip this part. Okay, so I just sped that part up. I did both sides, hot comb, both sides super duper flat, as you can see. And right here, I am just going in the front and layering it just a tad. Like, I'm really not even taking like big sections, and I'm not cutting it too short. I'm just really making sure to eyeball it very carefully and not cut off too much, because you can cut off a lot very quickly with this thing on accident. So I'm just taking my time with it, eyeballing it, and just cutting off like a good amount to make it look a little bit more natural and layered. Okay, so boom, now band is coming off, and let's get into this melt. Bomb. I knew it was gonna be bomb because the plucking and bleaching on this wig was just already bomb. So this is what it's looking like. And then I'm going in with my eyebrow razor and just cutting off this lace in like a zigzag uneven motion so that it looks very natural. And yeah, do this to both sides, of course. And then I don't know why when you cut the lace it gets like ashy, so I'm just putting some more makeup back onto that lace to kind of help it melt some more. And yeah. And then I'm just cutting the sideburns a little shorter so that they look more natural, because I wanted to have a very natural look with this install. I decided not to do any baby hairs, and I just did like a little bit, not even sideburns really, just a little bit of hair left out on the sides, just to kind of mimic like, you know, what natural hair would look like, just to make it look more realistic. So yeah, and then I'm going in right here and cutting off more of this lace. What I've been doing lately with all my wigs is giving the hairline like an actual shape, like either a widow's peak or something. So I kind of do have it a little bit longer right there in the middle, and then on the sides I cut off lace so that it looks like it's dipping in a little bit and then coming back forward in the middle. It's not very dramatic, widow's peak, but like it does kind of help the install. Well, it definitely does. It does help the install look a lot more natural in my opinion. So that's just what I'm doing here. It's just kind of giving it a little bit of shape, a little bit of zigzag. Then I'm going in with some more of this Even Wonder lace bond and spraying this on so that we can melt this again. And y'all, I literally was trying to keep a straight face. That stuff burns so freaking bad, like you're pouring straight up alcohol into a fresh cut is what it feels like. That it was just burning so bad, y'all. Like I was really trying to keep a straight face on camera, but inside I wanted to scream because it burnt so freaking bad. Like those little nicks from those razors, and when you spray that stuff on there, it hurts so bad, y'all. Like ooh. But now I'm just going in sections, about to curl this hair. Y'all, I quite literally cannot find my Chi Silk Infusion because I've been out of town like all summer. I don't know what happened to my Chi Silk Infusion while I was traveling, like where it went, but I cannot find it. So we're using this today. I feel like it's somewhere in my room or somewhere. I just have no idea. Like, I don't know. It really just disappeared, but it's all good because, you know, I have other heat protectors. I don't know if these are as good as Chi Silk Infusion, but we're using these today. So yeah, let me go ahead and actually put this all over my whole head. Not too much, not too much.
like I'm rich ball. Scared I send that body up my little car. All you bitches do Pilates when you rich ball. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip ball. The cities, y'all niggas ripped off. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed y'all. You see me ballin' in my bitch ball. My niggas ballin' like a rich ball. Scared I send that body up my little car. All you bitches do Pilates when you rich ball. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip ball. The cities, y'all niggas ripped off. Young nigga back, I think they ain't a party word. Nigga match shit and we some trouble. You feel it itchy to miss me. No, bad bitch with frontal. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
All right, y'all, and this is how the hair turned out. So freaking bomb and pretty. Like, I just love the curls with no baby hair look, and the hairline looks so natural on it. The middle part, the parting is 6 inches deep, y'all. Like, this install right here looks so freaking bomb, and just like, it just gives bombshell baddie. Like, this right here, it gives like this could be a sew-in. Like, it just looks very natural to me and realistic. Like, I love a no baby hair look. I love baby hairs, don't get me wrong, but like this look right here with the curls, no baby hairs at this length and everything, this color, like this just eats down, y'all. The lace is HD 13x6 and this is in 24 inches. So definitely, y'all, click the link down below in my description box to shop this unit from Alipearl Hair. Y'all are interested in getting this unit. And thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all, Alipearl, for this unit. I literally love this unit. This unit most likely will not be going on my website for sale, which I will be launching soon to resell all of my wigs. So y'all do keep an eye out for that if y'all are interested in buying some of these refurbished wigs. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.